guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda, and if you love home decor, then you're in the right place. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking all about Homegoods. So grab your favorite drink and let's jump right in.
It feels like I pretend, keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. As my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack, just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
All right, guys, get comfy because I'm going to be talking all about my most frequently asked questions on how to score big at Homegoods. How do you do it, Brenda? Let us in on all these secrets. So I'm gonna let you guys know, okay? Starting off with the most frequently asked question is, what Homegoods do I go to? Although I'm not gonna share with you guys where I live, my biggest tip is to go on Yelp, search the city that you live in, and look into what is the most high-rated Homegoods near your area and to make your way there, okay? I cannot stress that enough. There is so many Homegoods stores in every city. Try to see which one has the best reviews, okay? That's just one of the tips that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys here on today's video. Another frequently asked question is, what time do I go to Homegoods? Although I am very blessed to be able to work from home and I have all the time in the world, I've done the research for you guys and I've gone to Homegoods in the morning, during the afternoon, and at night. So I am very comfortable with letting you guys know that the best time to go to Homegoods is first thing in the morning, okay? I know some of you guys might work and you can't go in the morning, like, hey Brenda, what do? I can't go in the morning because I get off in the afternoon. In that case, go until the weekend, okay? Do not go during the week, because by the time that you're off work and you go to those stores, I promise you guys, they're gonna be wiped out, okay? That's the thing about Homegoods. First thing in the morning is the best time to go. Even if you see a line, wait it out. I've done it myself and I know that it's absolutely worth it if I know that it is one of the stores that I'm gonna be finding some hidden gems, okay? That's my biggest advice. Go first thing in the morning, or if you absolutely can't, wait it out until the weekend. Even though a lot of Homegoods stores will stock up their stores right before the weekend, I advise you go during the week because, for one, it's way less crowded. Two, you can find some really good pieces during the week. Believe it or not, guys, I have found some of my best pieces during the week because on the weekends, I know that there's just so much more people that it's almost like a race as to who can get there first and who can get to the pieces first. So I highly recommend that you really try to make the time, or even on your days off, okay? Try to go to more than one Homegoods, which that's another thing. Don't just go to one store, one location. Go to many. The beauty of Homegoods is that they're always anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes apart from each other. Sometimes they're even closer to each other. Try to hit up more than one. We love going to multiple Homegoods, especially if we're out in a big city. I recommend you go to 2 to 3 of them, okay? And sometimes try to go to the ones that have the Homegoods only locations, because I know that sometimes you're gonna come across a Homegoods and a TJ Maxx. I think I heard that there's a Homegoods and a Marshalls. Try to go to the only Homegoods stores. I personally love to go to those more because obviously they have a bigger inventory selection and you can find way more stuff at those locations. Okay, Homegoods, that's the fun of it, is that you can really find anything from a really low price to hundreds of dollars, which I know sometimes you're like, is it worth it? Do your research, okay? Do not go in blindly because you will get overwhelmed. There is so many goodies to choose from at Homegoods that you wanna make sure you go in there with a clear mind and you really know what you're looking for, which is what I really wanna share with you guys as well. When you go to Homegoods, have a clear idea of what you are looking for, and I do the work for you guys, so by the time that you go there, you know exactly what piece to try to find. One of the biggest things that I recommend you guys look for when going to any Homegoods location is coffee table books, okay? I know people have scored big time when it comes to coffee table books. I myself have found some of my favorite coffee table books at Homegoods for a crazy price. My latest find was my Dior New Looks coffee table book, and I am obsessed with it. You guys know I'm all about a modern and minimal home decor. I get a lot of my inspiration from Restoration Hardware, and they have amazing coffee table books. Keep your eyes out. Look through those shelves. Sometimes they might be hidden behind something, so make sure you guys really look for them. I always get asked, where do I find my coffee table books? They are usually in the home decor section. That's where you want to go first, because these coffee table books, guys, they go like hot bread. You guys want to make sure you get your hands on those coffee table books, especially if it's a good one. And that is with anything in general. Do not leave a good piece behind. Do not. I myself have experienced that, and let me tell you guys, I can assure you 110% that it will be gone the next day, okay? That's the beauty of HomeGoods. You can come across a very good piece, and if you do, don't hesitate, throw it in your cart and go home with it, because it will be gone, okay? Moving on to the next piece, I want you guys to keep your eye out. If you're looking to change up your home decor, give it more of a modern vibe, add more earthly elements to your home decor, Geos, they have been coming out with the most beautiful crystals. I cannot explain it to you guys. Right here, you guys can see my latest pickup. It is stunning, and the price was only $25. What? Okay, I've heard through the grapevines that sometimes HomeGoods might incorrectly price one of these. Don't complain about it. Don't ask questions. Grab it, put it in your cart, and bring it home with you, because I feel like they have the freedom to really price these at whatever price they want. And if they do, and you find a massive one like this for a really low price, bring it home, okay? I love styling these anywhere and everywhere in my home. Not only do they bring, you know, amazing energy, good vibes, but they also are just beautiful to look at. They're so aesthetically pleasing. They look amazing on top of a coffee table book. They look amazing on a nightstand, on a bookshelf, anywhere that you put it. They're beautiful home decor piece. It is a beautiful home decor piece to have, and HomeGoods carries really, really good ones, so keep your eyes out. My next tip, go to the art section, okay? If you're trying to get that Restoration Hardware vibe, you gotta pick up a good art piece, okay? And I know sometimes it could be a little overwhelming to be in that aisle because there's just so many pieces, but trust me, it is worth it. I have found some beautiful art pieces that I brought home with me, and they're a great dupe to the Restoration Hardware ones. Those can cost up to thousands of dollars. We're not about that. We're gonna save some money, and we're gonna try to look for something very, very similar, and I promise you guys you can find amazing ones at HomeGoods. Their spring stuff is coming in just so good. Like, they have so many good pieces, which I myself have picked some up already. You guys can see right here behind me. These right here are brand new, and they look amazing. Like I said, they're really giving me that RH vibe. So I recommend you make your way there. Try to look for the black and white ones. Those are very, very RH, and I just highly recommend you stay away from the really tacky ones like this one right here. If you own one of these, do yourself a favor. Get rid of it. Out with the old, in with the new, and the modern, and the aesthetic pleasing home decor pieces. Get rid of this. You do not want this in your home, okay? The other day, I was at HomeGoods and I saw someone pick it up, and I wanted to tell her so bad, like, girl, you don't want that. You don't want that in your home. It just looks tacky. It's just, don't get these pieces. Another thing that I want to recommend when you're in HomeGoods is check out the lamp section, okay? You guys see these beautiful lamps that I have back here. I saw some really nice ones in a gold color at HomeGoods recently. I feel like they're getting in a ton of new pieces that are just amazing dupes to high-end stores. These I got from IKEA, but I'm actually thinking of changing them out for some gold ones, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys once I share my updated living room. I know that for the ones that have been following me for quite some time, you guys are aware that I do a lot of neutral monochrome home decor, okay? I'm not about color, and that's one of my biggest tips. If you're going to change up your home decor and you really want to go for something very modern, stick to some very neutral tones, stick to whites and blacks and neutrals and just accents of black and gold. But don't worry, I'm gonna be touching on all those subjects in my next video, so make sure you guys don't miss it. We're gonna be talking all about 2021 home decor trends that you wanna make sure you are on top of. But going back to HomeGoods, check out the lamp section. They have been receiving beautiful lamps that I myself have picked some up already. You guys can see right here, I got these for my nightstands and they look so modern, so luxe. I am obsessed, okay? They are the perfect amount of gold in my bedroom. I'm still gonna be adding a chandelier. I have my eyes on a very beautiful one from CB2. So I wanna make sure you guys are looking in those lamp aisles and really keeping an eye out for these beautiful styles that they have been coming out with, okay? Last but not least, going towards my biggest find to date, it is my rug. Oh my gosh, okay. I have been without a rug, you guys, for maybe 2-3 months now. I didn't want to just buy whatever rug. I wanted to make sure that it was something that I absolutely loved, that went with my home decor, that looked really good in this space. You guys know that I'm sitting in my living room. And one thing that I learned with my last rug is that I wasn't really careful with the rug that I was purchasing. I kind of was more taken by the look rather than the quality. And so that rug was shedding a lot. It wasn't the best quality. And so this time around, I thought, you know what, no, I'm gonna invest some time. I'm gonna look around, and I found this beauty at HomeGoods. Let me tell you guys, it is a huge RH dupe in my personal, opinion. I think it looks like something that you would find at the Restoration Hardware store. And they have it in a much more bigger size than the one that I have. Like, crazy. And the price that I paid for it doesn't even compare to the price of the rugs on the Restoration Hardware website. I'll show you guys right here what I'm talking about, okay? You do not want to blow money like that. I mean, unless you have it, by all means, go for it. I am obsessed with it. It is such a beautiful rug. So you guys want to make sure you do not sleep on that rug section, okay? Check out the rug section, the lamps, the art, the home decor pieces. Steer away from the tacky, outdated home decor. Make sure you look into the high-rated HomeGoods locations in your area, or if you're out and about in a bigger city, stop by that HomeGoods. I promise you guys it'll be worth it. Try to go first thing in the morning, but if you absolutely have to, go during the weekend and make sure you get up early, grab your coffee, and wait at those doors. Wait in front of those doors to open, and it'll be so worth it. I really hope I touched base on a lot of the important things to know when shopping at HomeGoods this year, whether you're an oldie like me or you're a newbie and you just discovered HomeGoods. I love going to HomeGoods, okay? I go to HomeGoods just to get away. I go to HomeGoods when I'm looking for a specific piece. It's like my second home from home. I love it. So make sure you guys don't sleep on HomeGoods and you go and check it out. I promise you guys will absolutely love it. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you guys love sit-down videos like this where I advise you guys tips and tricks on how to score big at HomeGoods, or maybe another location. If you guys want me to cover a different location, maybe Target, let me know down below. Do you guys want me to do a how to score big at Target? What to look for at Target this year? Some of the 2021 hot home decor pieces to make sure you get your hands on. Let me know down below. Turn on the notification bell button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below. Keep tagging me. I love when you guys tag me. If you follow me, you know that I always share when you guys tag me. It's so wonderful for me to get to see like the home decor pieces that I share, and you guys get it for yourself, and it just looks so beautiful in your home. Alright guys, and that completes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. You hit the notification bell button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And you guys are staying safe. I'll catch you guys all on my next video. Bye.